Lakewood District. A street racer has just been reported northbound on Highway 99. Units in the area on non-priority calls. Please clear and head up that way.
Dispatch, any more details? My screen's blank. 1036, on 1036, vehicle took off, code 3.
That's a Roger, go ahead.
Get somebody over here, my vehicle's shutting down. On back. Dispatch 1085, this guy's giving me problems. Here he is, I got him, show me code 3.
Please provide a situation report. 5-1 requesting update.
Can I stay with him? He's got a lot of problems. Hold on. He's pulled away from me. Let's get units in the area to start up a quadrant. Suspect vehicle lost. Stand by. He can't be too far.
Units heading up to the pursuit call. Attention all units, attention all units. We have a code 6 party failing to stop for police. Supervisor requesting units on non-priority calls. Switch over to TAC 2 and monitor the chase. Suspect is in a green Mazda.
Suspect traveling west. Past Hickley Field. I caught up to him. He just went by me.
Cover units be advised. Suspect was last seen northbound past Hickley Field. I have a go to set up a containment. Switch call over to TAC 3.
Dispatch, this is Bravo 27 requesting 1085. I am the only one in this quadrant. Repeat, I am the